Draw and correct.
Let's draw numbers and learn vehicle. 1.
1.
1 police car.
1 police car. 2.
2. 2 bicycles.
2 bicycles. 3.
3.
3 cars.
3 cars.
4.
4. 4 motorcycles.
4 motorcycles. 5.
5. 5 buses.
5 buses.
6.
6.
6 ambulance.
6 ambulance. 7.
7. 7 fire engines.
7 fire engines. 8. 8 planes.
8 planes. 9.
9.
9. 9 boats.
9 boats.
10. 10 helicopter.
10 helicopter.
Please like and subscribe.